So how do you add apps to the favorites folder on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing for next tutorials and videos like this one. So of course, there are plenty of ways to add something to favorites on the iPhone, like you can add photos or contacts, right? But the apps don't really have like a built-in way of organizing them into favorites. However, you can just grab one of the icons, like be inside of the edit mode, and then just hover it over another icon so you can create a folder. And then this folder can contain as many apps as you want basically, and the name of the folder will be selected by default, but you can rename it to be the favorites folder, right? So you can literally name it like that, add as many apps and icons as you want, and that folder is likely going to be easily accessible, so you want to put it somewhere on the home screen or inside of the dock, right? And that way you can access your favorite apps from this place. So I guess it would make sense to organize your phone that way. Keep in mind, however, that there is also a widget which is for the Siri app suggestions. This is like a dynamic widget where apps change and you get suggested apps which the phone believes you might want to use. So you can also add that type of widget. That would make sense too. And also you can decide by going to the settings and Siri, where you tap on the apps at the bottom, that some apps are simply not going to be recommended through the widget. Right, so these are all of the ways which I believe you might be interested in, like organizing your apps into favorites and folders like that. So that is something that you might have in mind, and let me know if we helped you with it. Subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.